Hello, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I am going to share some openings with you. Most of them freshers, and 2-3 companies are for experience as well. So, before starting the video, I would like to request, guys, please join our Telegram channel as well, because most of times I didn't get time to shoot a video, so I will just take a screenshot of particular opening and just share that screenshot on the Telegram group. So if you still not join the Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group. You can find the link in description below, so just check it out. And also, if you still not follow us on Instagram as well, so just do follow on Instagram as well. So okay, let's start with the company name. First company name is excellent opportunity to work with entity. The location will be Mumbai, Kurla, and notice period will be the 15 days of vacancies, 5 position. The rotational shift, if you are okay with, just then and then only you can apply here. Budget for this position is 5,23,000 Indian rupees. Experience they are expecting 3 years. It's related to the network, guys, networking. So you should have strong knowledge in switching and routing. Must have the CCNA or equivalent certification in networking. So if you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on bhagyasri.innovatics@gmail.com. Correct email ID you can see on the screen, because guys, just send the resume to this email ID. The consultant is my friend, so this is his consultancy, but he is not charging to anyone. Okay, if you are selected only, so after that he will tell that consultant charge. Before your selection, he will not asking to any charge, okay, for the interview. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Yantra Technologies. They are hiring for manual testing experience. That required 4+ years of experience, 4+ and above years of experience in manual testing. The position role name is manual testing. If you are interested for this position and eligible for this position, you need to share your resume on ranjit.c@testyantra.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. Sorry guys, I forget to tell you the job location for this position. The job location for this position is Pan India, so you can just check it out and share the resume. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is WebMD Technologies. Is hiring for ATL testing for professionals at WebMD with the experience of 2+ years of experience, ETL and data warehouse testing. If the location will be Mumbai, and 3 days work from office, and rest of 2 days you can work from home. Means it's a hybrid mode. So if you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on sskadam@webmd.net. Correct email ID you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Invitable Infotech. It's hiring for manual testing. The position is very important, guys. While you sending the resume to the recruiter, it should be mentioned in the subject line. So the company name is, I told you already, Invitable Infotech. Openings are 6 positions. Experience 0 to 3 years. They are expecting good communication, good knowledge in manual testing. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on ramachandra.nale91@gmail.com. Guys, this is the Gmail email ID. So if you are interested or if you have trust, then and then only you can send the resume, because recently I got in 1, 2, 3, 1 or more comments on that. Sir, that might be fake. If recruiters ask, they didn't ask to share their profile on the Gmail ID. So it should be company domain name. But as per my knowledge and experience, most of employees, what can they do? They collect their resumes on their personal email ID and send to the particular that HR. So what happened with this thing? They are doing that if anyone gets selected from the particular employee's resume, he will get a referral bonus from company. So it might be the company employee or consultant. If you are eligible, means if you are free to say free to send the resume to the this email ID, you can only send. Then just ignore this. Just move on the next company. Okay. It's all your turn if you want to share or not. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Addboxes Software Technologies is hiring for freshers for trainee software engineer profile. Role name is trainee software engineer. The role is very important, guys. While you sending the resume to the recruiter, it should be mentioned in your subject line. So experience freshers, degree, BE, BTech or any stream. Year of passing 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. So most of guys asking me, sir, I have a 2 years of 2 years of career gap. I have 3 years of career gap. So this is the opportunity to send the resume to the company. Okay. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on hr@addboxes.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is System Migration. They are hiring for opening for QA tester. The position is QA tester. Okay. Experience 0 to 2 years means freshers also can apply here up to the 2 years of experience candidate. So it's a DevOps test estimation, debugs and analysis of software testing post production releases. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your resume on jasham@systemmigration.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The company name is Wipro. Wipro is hiring for freshers. The position name is Global IT Service Desk. This is position is not for software tester. This is for Global IT Service Desk. Qualification, they are expecting any technical background graduation. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on rajasri.sangle@wipro.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company, the CGI. The CGI is hiring for multiple positions. The position name is IIB developers. Then Selenium automation testing means this position is automation for automation testing. Then ETL testing, they are also expecting hiring for that ETL testing as well. And experience, they are expecting 2+ years. Notice period is 0 to 60 days means 2 months they can wait for you if you are got selected. Job location will be Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune and Mumbai. So don't miss this opportunity, guys. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on saikiran.polugula@cgi.com or one more email ID is there, maybe his personal email ID, sai2882@gmail.com. It may be a employee, his company email ID he is given and another his personal email ID, both the email ID he mentioned here. So if you are interested, you need to set the resume on that particular email ID. So the next company is ADP India is hiring for manual testing. The position is manual testing. Company name is ADP. Job location will be Chennai. Experience, they are expecting 2 to 4 years. Note, manual testing is must for this role. If you are only automation testing, so do not send your profile. So this is must to have knowledge of manual testing. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume at this email ID, mention email ID. This is the email Gmail email ID. If you want to share this profile on this email, you just share or ignore this. Okay, just move on the next company. The next company is Vertrix Technologies is hiring for freshers. Mode permanent role. For this they are hiring for permanent role. Job role is trainee techno functional consultant for a SAP business. Salary based in industry. Skills, they are required excellent verbal and written communication skill, great problem solving skill and quick learner, strong analytical skills also they are expecting. If you are fulfill this criteria and eligible for this position, you need to share your resume on hr@vertix.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is USD Global. The role is a QA engineer for manual testing. Okay, role is QA engineer for manual testing. Skills, they are expecting API testing, database testing, and functional testing. Experience, they are expecting 2 to 7 years. Job location will be Ahmedabad and Chennai. Any graduation, qualification, any graduation or post graduation. If you are fulfill this criteria or eligible this position, you need to share your resume on pratik.godbabe@usd.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, just check the letter by letter spelling before sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay, it will help to bounce. It will avoid to bounce back your email if you mention the wrong email ID. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Empatech System is hiring for junior test engineer. Required candidate profiles minimum 0.6 months of experience. 0.6 months means 0.6 years means 6 months of experience in manual testing. Mandatory to have experience in Azure board. Job location will be Pune. If you are interested for this position, you need to share your resume on divya.gaikwad@empatech.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Extranet is hiring for below positions. The position name is manual test engineer. Job location will be Mumbai, and they are expecting 2+ years of experience. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your resume on norin.khan@extranetindia.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Colibra Digital. They are hiring for test analysts who have experience of 4+ years of experience in manual testing. Okay, they should know the manual testing, all the knowledge with the SQL queries. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your resume on christina.ajeko@colberadigital.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, I shared with you some 13 to 14 companies opening. Just go and apply fast. If you have any facing any problem, any doubts in your domain, you can reach me on Instagram. My Instagram ID you can see here. Else you can find my Instagram profile link in description. So you just check out and you can reach me on Instagram. And else if you have any interview, if you have any personal doubt, you can reach me on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram. So I will when I get a time, I will get in touch with you and try to solve your queries and respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.